In this tutorial, I will explain some of the ways we ensure our guests have an unforgettable stay, leaving them with smiles and memories. This is how we in housekeeping department can help our hotel get more positive guest reviews. The first step is to make sure every room meets the highest standards of cleanliness and comfort. We have to make sure we do our job well. If we have a repeat guest, we must keep in mind to make the room as per guest preference. If a guest has a preferred type of pillow, make sure it is provided without them having to request it. If the guest is celebrating any occasion, make sure you make something special. We keep a bouquet or flower vase in the room along with a cake. But you can get creative and decorate the bed or the bath depending on the occasion. Adding these personal touches shows our guests that we care about their celebrations and want to make them extra special. Once I finish cleaning the room, I also try to leave a personalized note for the guest, to remind them that they can always reach out to me in case they want something else, like extra amenities or water in the room. Communication is key. Leaving a note lets our guests know that we're here to help with anything they might need, even before they realize they need it. Good morning, sir. Hope your stay is comfortable. Interact with guests in a friendly and professional manner. If the opportunity arises, engage in courteous conversations in the corridor and wish the guest. Another way to make sure that your guest has a positive experience is to fix any problems that happen immediately. This can include resolving issues with the room, providing extra amenities, or accommodating special requests. Finally, if you want more feedback, ask the guest to write it. If you do not remind the guest, they will not bother to write a review. So that is it. By maintaining standards, adding personal touches, or simply being there for our guests, the housekeeping team can ensure that we get positive reviews for our hotel.